Okay, I'm going to show you how I installed speakers on the rail of my pontoon boat without having to drill holes into the rail. If you'll look, these are brackets that are made by Canon. They're downrigger brackets for using on pontoon boat rails. They're very sturdy, very well built. Heavy aluminum, machined aluminum with stainless steel bolts. And if you look in the back here, you'll see how I mounted it to the speakers. I had to modify these little holes on this bracket that did come with the speaker. These speakers are Yamaha exterior speakers. They come in two sizes, a large size and a small size. These are the small size. I have the large size on my house. I've had them there for about 8 years, 9 years, and they work really, really well. Underneath this is a screw that holds to the bracket. I bought a rubber washer on top and bottom so that the vibration wouldn't cause that to loosen. They're very sturdy, very well mounted, and they are holding up really, really well. Here's the cabling that went down. These are just zip tie with stickers that go on to hold the conduit there. The conduit runs underneath the boat, and it comes up underneath here and right up and then it goes to the existing stereo. It was a really simple install. It took me less than about an hour, hour and a half from start to finish. I would highly recommend doing the project. It adds a lot of extra sound to the system. I would play it for you, but YouTube has several copyright things that kind of stuff up if you play music on it. But enjoy the video, and if you have any questions, post them and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks, bye-bye.